Alright guys, we got Cat Dog Complete Series here by Nickelodeon. This was put out by Shout Factory. This ran between 1998 and 2005. Has over 25 hours of playtime on it, so pretty big set here. Let's open it up. There it is. Artwork is a little different. Pretty good looking artwork on the disc. There's the second one. Alright, all my discs are broke here, so I have to just show it to you like this. Have to send in to get another one. All of these are broke. There it is, guys. Thanks for watching The Big Ragu.